Hello everyone! Today, we will learn about how Amina assists her brother Ahmad in dressing his wounds properly. These are 3 steps you can follow. Recognizing infected wounds and sores. Preparing the wound dressing. Techniques for wound dressing. Amina sets up the sterilized dressing kit on a sanitized table before removing the old dressing. Patient drapes. Forceps. Plastic tray containing cotton wool balls. Dressing gauzes. Hand towels. And limpet bags. Normal saline solution. Amina removes the old dressing and discards them. A cotton wool ball dipped in cleaning solution is used for each wipe. Amina cleans the wound before covering it with a primary dressing, followed by a waterproof dressing. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information, please visit the CareBuddy website.